విద్యా రంగంలోనే అగ్రగామిగా నిలిచిన విద్యా సంస్థ మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఫోన్ 227115 మరియు 277022.
Good evening, students. I hope you are all enjoying your holidays, being with your parents. You got a lot of time to watch video, watch serials, play games, a lot of things. But quite interestingly, 3 days back I had sent an opinion poll. Like, I asked the students whether they are interested in classes, about online classes. Most of the students said they want online classes. I'm so happy about it because now I get an affirmation that Montessori students are really great because they want to study more. They want to study very often. So with that, to fulfill your desire to study, the school has decided to come up with video classes. Accordingly, in a few days, we will start uploading short videos on different subjects. So on this, I would like to give you some more clarity. First point is that these are short videos. They will not be more than 10 or 12 minutes. And you have to watch the video, understand the concept, and at the end of the video, there is an assignment. You have to complete your assignment and send it on the same day to your teacher's WhatsApp. That will be given to you later. And second point is that after watching the video, you must read the textbook, the same portion textbook, and then you should do the assignment. Again, next point is that you must get some extra knowledge, maybe from internet or from some other books or some other sources on the topic. So first thing is watch the video, then read the textbook, do the homework, then acquire some extra knowledge on that. Every day you will not get more than 3 or 4 videos until we become used to the program. We are sending short videos. It's because if we send you lengthy videos, it will not be easy for you to download it in your mobiles or laptops. Secondly, if they are as lengthy as a class or 40 minutes video, you will not be interested in listening. And this is one of the reasons we are sending you short videos. And the next point is every student of the class must take part in this program. If some students are keeping themselves away from this, you should, like friends should force them to come into this. Why I am saying this is, for reason one, these classes will not be repeated once we reopen. I think this will go on for June and July. August we may be able to reopen the school and you will be able to come to the school. So once we reopen the school, again these classes will not be repeated. Second point, these are expensive. Teacher has to come to the school, we have to do the shooting, we have to do the editing, lot of hard work is going on behind this. So everyone should make use of this. And then we will be sending you, when we upload a video, we will be sending you a link. And as soon as you get the link, you press the link and you will reach the YouTube. And in the YouTube, you watch the video. You should also subscribe this school channel and also press the bell icon. When you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, you will get a notification whenever we upload the video, so that it will be reminding you. One of the advantages for this is, in a Zoom classroom, on a different platform, if we conduct an online class on a different platform like Zoom, the problem is everybody has to be there on time. But here the advantage is you can watch the video at your leisure any time of the day. But only one thing I am stressing is that you should finish it on the same day. If on 29th or 30th, if 4 videos are uploaded, you should finish it on the same day. And you should complete your work on the same day. Do not keep it for the following day. Is that okay? The next point is, do not worry which teacher is teaching you. In schools, what happens is, when you come regularly to school, you are getting attached to teacher. So you expect the same teacher. There are different topics, different teachers, some new teachers are also there. So do not worry about the teacher who is teaching, but only listen to the concept, understand the concept clear. So these are all things I want to inform you. And if you want some modifications in the video, you can press the comment button in the video, in the YouTube. You can put your comment there, or you may even put it into the WhatsApp group so that we can make some changes. This is the first experience for me and for the school. So we have not done such videos earlier. So that's the reason there will be so many mistakes, so many shortcomings. So I should know what actually you want, how you want. Then only we can make modifications. So I think that's all. And soon after listening to this video that I'm talking to you now, you must send me an SMS in the WhatsApp. You must post me an SMS. The SMS is 100% ready. 100% ready. That means you are 100% ready for this program. And encourage your friends also, those who are not taking part. Phone up to them, ask them, come into the WhatsApp group and send SMS to sir. Then I know fully that you are ready. And I am motivated to do such programs. So all the best. God bless you.